Hello and welcome back to the Coralogix DataPrime Academy course. Now that we understand what DataPrime does, let's explore the architecture that makes it all possible. Today we'll cover DataPrime's Indexless observability approach, how it stores your data, its integration with Coralogix, and the namespace system that organizes your observability data. So, traditional observability platforms require you to decide upfront what fields they index. You miss something, you can't analyze it, or you might need to rehydrate it or go through some expensive re-indexing. DataPrime uses indexes observability. Every field in every log is automatically queryable without pre-processing or indexing decisions. Benefits to this are that new fields will be immediately queryable, no configuration will be needed, complete data fidelity, meaning nothing gets lost or downsampled, future-proof, so you can analyze any field from historical data. So when a critical incident happens, every field is available for investigation. So DataPrime stores observability data in low-cost object storage using columnar Parquet format. And this means that it's cost-effective. So you can store years of data at a fraction of those database costs. It's query optimized, so it only reads columns needed for your analysis. It's compression efficient. Observability data will compress very well in this format. And DataPrime's query engine sits on top of all this storage, understanding observability patterns and optimizing for time series analytics. So DataPrime integrates seamlessly across the Coralogix platform. Unified data access works with all the data that is ingested into Coralogix automatically. We have intelligent tiering. We can query across frequent storage. We can query across our object storage, archive storage transparently. So we have cross-product integration, we can power dashboards, alerts, APIs. Our schema discovery automatically makes new fields available with autocomplete, as we'll see here. So let's talk about the three intuitive namespaces. $D for data, that's our log content. So the actual content of our logs can be business logic or application-specific information like customer identifiers, response time for performance metrics. We have $M for metadata. So this is the system context. So this is like the when, where, and how context. Things like $M.timestamp when the event occurred. We have things like severity, log ID. Then we have $L for labels. And this classifies your data and can actually route it as well. So this is like organizational structure. Application name, subsystem name, computer name, category, etc. So this consistent structure works across logs, metrics, and traces. Learn once, query everything. And while $D, $M, and $L help organize your data logically, they are just columns under the hood. So your choice of namespace doesn't affect performance. So our key takeaways here: DataPrime's architecture delivers indexes observability. Every field is always queryable. Cost-effective storage, that object storage and columnar format. Our platform integration with Coralogix is seamless. We have very simple namespaces, $D, $M, and $L to organize our complex data. And really, our goal is to provide advanced analytics capabilities without the need for specialized data engineers. So you can write in an easy readable format from left to right, human readable format. And DataPrime under the hood takes care of all the performance. So that's enough theory for now. We're going to get hands-on. In our next module, we'll start writing our first DataPrime queries. And thanks very much for joining me.